Hi guys, so today we are doing something for school. We're doing an end poverty type of project, and we're gonna make some like kits for kids and adults to get them out of poverty. And we've already found a few things. We need like soccer balls for kids. Into the bin they go. So now, without the list, because my mom just took off with it. I don't know what we're gonna need. And there's my mom actually. Hold on. I wonder what we need. Oh, perfect. Exactly what we need. Jump rope, baseball mitt. Get one for boys and girls. And hold on, let me look at the list. Should we give him a baseball bat too? Nah, go crazy. All right, that's it for outdoor toys. I'm pretty sure. Hold on, let me press this up a little. Not quite it for outdoor toys, but we're getting there. Oh, this is a perfect aisle. What do we need? Aha, perfect. One of these. And one of these. Also, in the aisles over there, we got some baby sleepwear. Got this little thing for boys. And then this one for girls. I can't see it. And this is a little shirt. I'm just gonna hang this off. I'm just gonna put these in, I guess. Let's do it. Alright, so on to the next aisle. Huh. Guess that's something we need. Let's see here. Sizes don't matter. We'll get one in every size, I guess. Small? Alright, cool. They seriously don't have a medium here. Oh, they do have a medium. I'm just blind. Hold on. Which one was the first size? Yeah, I think that's a large. So now we'll do extra large. Boom. Now, time to head over there for underwear and socks. Alright, so we are on the lookout for socks, underwear, t-shirts, and I'm pretty sure that's it, and I already see them. Underwear, that'll work. Pretty big pairs of socks. And 2 white t-shirts. Perfect. Alright, so we just finished up with the ladies. We got this little PJ set. Let me just hang this real quick. There. We got these extra large pants that are almost as tall as me. With the extra large shirt we got that you'll see in a minute. Just put that right there. Size large pants. This is a large shirt that hopefully matches with this. Teal. And then this is a pink extra large shirt with this extra large pants. That's all for the ladies. Post time for Walmart. So we're at Walmart. Yay! And we've already started on a little bit. So yeah, you guys can see in the cart. Wahoo! So we're just gonna find stuff that we need as well. I think my mom's already getting some stuff and camping. Besides that, I think we need a few more things like a football, basketball, but those are over there. So could go over there real quick. I don't know, but actually, yeah, let's do that. Okay, so we just got done. Sorry we did not do more filming in Walmart. Kind of got sidetracked. So yeah, if I move a little slow, I literally just got my first vaccine, and that was painful, especially the fact I didn't have a shot blocker. Yep. if you can hear my guinea pig squeaking, good for you. You have ears. Now we're gonna do a little time lapse of me and Annabelle making the kits. This is a picture of everything sorted and divided into little groups. Now this time lapse is us packing up all the things we got into the kits. Alright guys, that's it for today, and hope you like and subscribe and turn on notifications. There will be a link in the description for the website I'm going to have up for it, and you can always read that too if you want. You don't have to, but do it anyways. Alright, see ya!